everybody, so we have finished the lunch in Amjed's house, and we have created like a routine here because the electricity goes out every day around 2 p.m. and for the past few days it was really hot, so I found a way for everybody to have a time pass, and that's where we go play something and we give them a prize every day around 2 p.m. until 3 p.m. So we have an hour to play this game, which is ask the kids any random questions, but most of it is like something educational, so they get to learn more. And I just want to, it's like a school, when we, something like we do in the Philippines, like school and something like that. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this. Let's go ahead and do it. Hey everybody, Kate Loreto here. So it's a normal day for us here. I have not been doing any like vlogging for the last 2 days because I'm just taking a break. A lot of good things happened recently, but I did not like bother to record it because I also want to experience like a normal life. So it's just sitting with the kids. This is like the usual day that we have here in like one of the villages here in Pakistan. So once you woke up here, you're gonna be sitting like with the kids, like there, see, playing, just watching, and some adults playing the game Kuda. So yeah, there. We're also going to be going to one of Mukhtar's friends for today to have lunch. Shipa.
Nana.
Oh.
Nana, what's in the club?
What? Shipa, what? 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 Mga natututunan mo kasi Shipa. So this is like how I literally spend, my daily life in here. Away from the city, away from internet, away from what else? I don't know. But I think this is one of the best days. Just sitting with all the kids every single day. Boy, ano pa lang yan, patikim pa lang yan. Usually it's around 20 to 30 kids in a day. Sitting the whole day. What did I say? Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka?
What did I say? Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka? Kamusta ka?
Ano, hindi ka nakikinig sa mga kwentuhan natin. Say hi. Hi ka na. Hi. Ano? Where's Samara? Tayo binayaan ng tigyawat sa ilong. Sat pa na.
May hulilo ba sila? Hulilo ba?
Ay, wow.
O, diba? Look at our lives here. Adults, kids. This is Rockland Village. I miss this kind of thing, honestly. For a very long time. Did not see anything like this. It just feels good, After working for a very long time, finally able to experience like a simple life, which is a dream life for me.
Kashi po au Sako
Zakirin.
What shampoo? What shampoo?
Head and
Head and Shoulders. Marunong na siya mag-shampoo. 5 days ago, hindi nagsha-shampoo to. Ngayon, marunong na.
Ay, what?
Sakit na. Say hi. Sakit. Ay, ba? Sakit yan. Ba't tayo? Kaman, ah?
Pura musula ba? That's what the hell. शलगाती पीती किसको मिलगाटी खाला वो तो खाली को भाई
Sindro.
जिंद्रो
You hit it again?
you make video
Yeah.
Idan na speed mo, tadar siya itong kadasila mo.
So we are on our way to Amjad. He's also one of my good friends in Dubai for a very long time. So we're visiting him because he invited us for lunch. Bakit wala kang sleepers, Umara? Mag-uwi ka doon. Ito yung bata. Saka pa, uwi. Psst. Mahas! Ay, hindi dito sa Mahas. Sino to? Shabe, uulan na! It's gonna rain, everybody. It's my first time to see. Kahit naman, nag-cover ako ng hair kasi grabe man yung dust, dahil basura. Ay! Wait. Shoota, baka sugudin tayo nung baka bato. Ay! Di mo kaya yung outfit ko. Ay, puta. So we're... Tsura ko, wait nga. Gusto niya yan? Ay, ang ganda. Patanlok. Ang ganda ko lang. Tinakpan ko ng konti yung pimple ko, namumula. Di na nga maganda yung ilong ko, magmumukha pang kamatis, kakaloka. Maganda sana itong lugar nila, kaso yung tayong basura eh. Ay, patanlok. Ganda, di ba? Mag-oo ka. So we're gonna go to Amjad's house. It's very near. Ano na yung ayos ko? Ay, may security na naman ako. Bantay. 24/7 yan, nakabantay.
clothes like this selling clothes
Assalamualaikum. I wanna say hi. Oh, hi. Taray. Uulan pa naman. Ay, saan ba? Umiihi pala yung ano. Ay, si Muhammad Tali. Bait yung bata na yan. Ay, kagawad! Ikaw talaga. Ito na naman ang mga kaibigan ni Patan. Kompleto na naman sila. Wait nga, gupaganda ba yung mic ko? Mic test. Oh, ayan, kompleto na naman ang kanilang friendship. Okay, let's go. Wait, I will turn on the lights. With lightning. Sabi ko sa inyo, kompleto. Assalamualaikum. Kagawad, say hi. Ay, wag ka na. How are you for today's video? Okay. We're just gonna have lunch. So yeah, that's it. Busy tong tigawad kung hindi nakikisama kung kailan gusto ko mag-film. Tsaka siya, buwisit to. Hindi na nga maganda ilong mo. May ganyan pa. Oh, diba? See? Look at the baguettes here. Oh, by the way, one thing that I want to share. Here, it's allowed. Like, if you see any kids, you can, like, tell them to go to your house, get something, as long as he's, like, under 10 years old. But after 10, they can no longer enter, like, any houses here. So, yeah. Ay! Talaga naman. Sorry, I requested how do you call this? The Kabili Pulao. And he cooked that. This is Amjad. Amjad, say hi. So that's Amjad. Diba? My good friend in Dubai. Pag sa inyo, makapagkaibigan kayo, madamihan nyo para maraming mag-give sa inyo ng pagkain, ganun. Brother, this is the Amjad's brother, everybody. Wait nga, the lightning. Meet him. And this is what we're gonna be eating for today.
fish
My God, see the fish. Ay, ginalingan talaga. Ay, ginagalingan talaga. Hoy, nakikita nyo ba yan? Nakikita nyo ba yan?
how much the show
Ayan, maglaway tayong lahat. Ang sarap! Aray! Kaya, say, Muhammad Ali, say hi. Hi! Okay. Ay! This is your brother?
Brother.
Who is the father of this?
Brother.
Your brother? The
Yes, my brother.
How come did they make this face? How come? Ano pala to ni Amjad? Nephew. Si Muhammad Ali pala. Nephew pala. Ang gwapong bata. Tara mo naman. Oh, Diyos ko po, ang mukha ng bata. Commercial model lang yan sa Pilipinas. Oh, may mga pahabol pang prutas. Talaga naman. Ginalingan ni Amjad. Ay. Yeah, thank you. Shukriya. So we just finished eating. Like, I'd like to show you, like, here, you know, how, like, the youngest brother will be the one to clean things. Don't watch me. Clean things out for you, like, after. Like, literally, the youngest brothers or nephews are the ones who would clean that up after you. You know, it's very different from, you know, from the Philippines, because they're like the kids. We wouldn't let them. See? Diba? All the youngest brothers and the nephews will be the one to clean all that up for you. Again, do not compare the culture that we have in the Philippines compared to the culture that we have here. The main purpose of this vlog is to show you the raw experience, like how things, like their real culture. See, this is the younger brother of Amjad, and he will be the one to fix that for you, and they will not allow you to help them, not even clean a little thing. So, at first, I was really shocked. I was like, no. You know me. If you watch my previous vlogs, I would even, I always clean up after myself. But here, it's not allowed. They wouldn't let you do any kind of work, most especially after eating. And then a few minutes after that, they would be serving you tea as well. So, you know, another thing, you're not gonna see not even one kid who would complain to you when you tell them to do something for you. Like, get me water, or do this, do that, clean this up, wash this, wash that. I don't know how that works. Why don't I ask Patan? Wait. Moktiara. Wait nga. So that's it. So every after lunch, yung sobrang natural na ng vlog ko, no? Yung hindi na ako, wala ka ng poison, anything. Basta umupo ka na lang, nagkwento ka na lang sa camera. Which is what I really want to show. Ayoko ng mga vlog na may something, like yung maraming kaek-ekan. On and off cam, this is me. The way I see it, the way I talk, it's exactly like this in person. They're not used to that. So, yeah, basically, you just have to wait for the tea after eating, and after that, you can go na. And here, the chai is unlimited. Every house. Because they have their own cow, no? I think
yes.
Each houses have their own cows.
Or many.
Many? Not just one?
3, 4.
Sarap ibulal niyan, shucks. Ha? How many? I-edit ko na naman to. Buisit ka talaga. Mga pinagbubulong mo. How many cows do you have? Wait, did you say milk? Milk. Of the cow, yes.
Sell? If some people say that they have more.
Save!
Save.
Yeah, because I want to make the juice later. And
Yeah.
the cake, remember,
Yes,
when we
yes.
go home.
Okay.
Slow, slow. Walida! Shabe! Ikaw nga. Ikaw magsigaw para umuwi talaga. See? If you shout, they go home. If me, nay.
Walida! Kurta shaba. Sidi mo nabinam shaba gol. Shaba.
Di ba umuwi pag sipatan, buisit, ayaw nilang maniwala sa
But
akin.
me, Absarali, all the kids. Only no answer.
But also Absar, right? They also listen to Absar?
Huh?
They also listen to Absar.
What is it?
They also listen to Absar.
Yeah, if one time he say go, then no go. when at home all the ladies all.
Yeah.
Because he always here now responsible.
Yeah, for everything.
Yeah, for everything.
Yeah.
Me only money.
Yan naman. Me, only friendship. Sleepy, oo. Tignan mo si Kagawad, huling-huli ka sa camera, ayan, di ba? Siya-7 ka agad, alauna pa lang, natutulog na siya. Ganyan yata yung pagkain. Tawag ko dyan Kagawad because he won the election here. Kaya na ko pa hinahanap yung, are you sure?
What's sure?
No, I have it, the bag. I put it there. Where's the bag?
You not bring the bag.
Oh, you have, someone have to get it.
Neither way.
Amaji! Ayan, Rasha! Amaji, Rasha! Mag-chai tayo! The tea has arrived, everybody. Look at the tea, look at the tea. Quick! Pang commercial model na to sa... Tara nga, Muhammad Tali. Tara, dali. Tingnan mo, commercial model na to sa Pilipinas. Everyone who's watching, if you want to get this kid as a commercial model, let me know. I will give it to you. Yala, sabi. I'm promoting him. Everyone in the Philippines wants to get him as a commercial model. This is commercial model in the Philippines. You know how much he will pay them? If this get one commercial? Just one commercial, yeah? Maybe 30,000 dirhams. Just smiling on camera. That's why, expired ka na. Huwag ka nang sumali. Katanda mo na. Oh, see, ito. Ay, this is China! China, hello. Say hi, China. China is the youngest brother of Amjad. The other one is the next one, the one who was cleaning up earlier. Ano ang daming exposure. Daming exposure. Uy, alam mo, this is the moment that I am happy that I am not a girl. Otherwise, I will not be able to experience this. See? Bawal ang babae dito. But Lord, hindi ako babae. Cheers. Ay, bakit naman inilalagay mo pa doon? Why you put it like this and then you drink? Why?
No, you check. No sugar.
No sugar?
Little.
Okay. Yung timpla nila ng chai, binabago nila for me. Because I don't want a lot of sugar talaga. Now, this is perfect. Tali, ito ka. Dali, kailangan makita ka sa camera. Muhammad, Tali, say hi. Mag-say hi.
Hi.
Gwapong bata. Tignan mo. Oh, ala. Diyos ko po. Artista nito sa Pilipinas. Dahil.
Judge, kola na siya.
Gandang bata. Oh. Kung kala mo si Angelina Jolie ako dito sa Pakistan talaga. No, rain. Maulan nga. Diyos ko. Everybody, it's raining, man. It's my first rain here in Pakistan. I love that. Finally, it's raining. Tira mo, dami namin. Uuwi ka. Oh, hindi siya tatantan. Si Haider Ali. Oy, dami na naman yan sinasabi, hoy. Tomorrow. Tayo ay maglakad sa ulanan. Yeah. Hiding. Ay, Muhammad Ali, hindi ka rin papatalo. Sumama ka din.
Muhammad Ali, tapatalo.
Buisit kapatan. Yeah, let's go. We have reached the home. Yeah. Everybody, so we have finished the lunch in Amjad's house and we have created like a routine here because the electricity goes out every day around 2 p.m. and for the past few days it was really hot, so I found a way for everybody to have a time pass, and that's where we go play something and we give them a prize every day around 2 p.m. until 3 p.m. so we have an hour to play this game, which is ask the kids any random questions, but most of it is like something educational, so they get to learn more. And I just want to, it's like a school, when we, something like we do in the Philippines, like school and something like that. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Everybody, give me a little seat. Okay, I'm good here. Okay, Patan, let's go. What's the prize? Keep this. Ano ba yan? Ay, meet my kabayan. Look, the baby brother. Mag-usod ka ng kaunti. Nabablock mo ako, okay. Let's go. Let's do this. Who's ready to play the game? Okay. Ganado, patano. Ay, hello, everybody. Okay, so it's a good weather today.
class.
Okay.
Ah. Clap tayo. Tuwa si Wally. Nakakamagkano na to? So, nakaka-30 rupee na to eh. Oh, you know, the kids here, I like it. They're happy with this. And 10 rupee, they're already happy. Okay, there you go, start. Okay, for the easy questions, just chip without the money. For the easy questions, this one. Okay, go. You explain them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
I asked like something, this is what in the English, what is the meaning, what is
Yeah, but the easy one only for this. So, basically, like, whoever knows the answer, just raise the hand and then they will talk. And we will give the mic. Okay, go. Let's do it.
Tita English किससे वही लास्ट चल के
Tantanan mo.
चलो बाबी
So,
वाह ये मार जमा सुबी नहीं हाँ हाँ तो पास हो रही
Take this.
start away. Elephant.
स्पेलिंग हुआ या
E-double-E.
E-double-E
L-double-E.
No teaching. Next. Who?
Spelling ko.
अभी तो इंग्लिश किससे वही
Elephant.
एलिफेंट स्पेलिंग से रही
E-L-E-P-A-N-T.
P-H-A-N-T wrong
Okay. Next question. Just the easy one, no spelling yet.
elephant it's easy
What's elephant?
yeah
Ang hirap naman yan. Uy.
what
You know,
horse
how this kid will spell the elephant? Okay, go.
not A E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T
Dahil dyan.
okay सेव तो इंग्लिश किससे वही चलो वर्जी
Yes.
A-double-P-L-E.
सिंगा
A-double-P-L-E.
Apple A-double-P-L-E
Okay. You get it. That's the easy question. Okay, next. Take the mic.
Okay.
You ask.
हाँ तारे इनसे A B C दर्जी तो शाबो A B C ने शुरू कर
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, O,
One more chance.
बियार सारा शुरू कर बियार सारा कर
One more chance.
B, C, D, E, F,
Wrong.
G,
Wrong.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, T, U, U,
Ito naman eh.
कौन बात है ये
1, 2, 3, 4. Kalas. Who can do it?
ना ना ताज़ा शुपर पिंजम के तलर्जी शाबाश ए ना शुरू को शाबाश
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Like the prize. Ang galing naman nito.
तो द्वेम की बोल सुख द्वेम की दी तुम द्वेम की पास this one
Who is that first?
A,
ना 1 2 शुरू का
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64,
54.
65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 73, 74, 75, 60, 76, 78, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 99, 100.
Yeah, 90 शुरू का
96.
91
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Ano? Pwede na yan. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. But tell him to learn it, ah.
सही है
But it's okay for now, no problem.
बिया सही कहा सब बिया हो रही
Get the phone from Anas.
ada chauri 79 69 da como estás aí sorry 79 ne dekha 79 69 59 kana na duro ugad ne dekha aa duro to se paisa pamul wan duro ugad mara tari ha ustad to hai bhai mukhtiar kajibi kana chida na inna dekha na in dekha wa ghayr atabi ha زبطنا وامو زبطنا يستاجي nine day nine day I will tell to the teacher today this is not nine this is nine yeah I will tell to the teacher today what else
I don't is Kumaya da abata.
alif bata darzi sure
Yala. Stand up.
Yeah.
alif
Ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ha.
Go. One more.
alif
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha.
Give little clue.
किस बारे alif
Alif,
oh
ba, ta, sa, jim, ha.
she only read that now and only she start now
Okay.
learn shall
That's okay. Okay. But tomorrow you add more, ha?
Okay.
Okay. Tanan mo nga hider ari. Buisit ka na talaga.
ito walida tayo pera uwi ka na
Wait.
daw galat ka ka na dawa shuru ka 1 2 khudi la wardi
One time. Walida dihi, walida. Go.
down ya stanun sare
Huh?
stanun sare
English की
ah
W
na urdu ki stanun sare
वलीदो
आप इंग्लिश की
इंग्लिश की W
हां
E
हां
R
हां
डबल E
हां
B
दिया हुआ है sana
W
हां
A
हां
R
hello
L डबल E
हां
B
D. Tara Pullumum Nagar. Wrong. He don't know his name also. What's your finger?
Buisit ka pa.
Malam na Razi. Zuwa mo.
Rajalta.
Walida, pangalan mo na lang, minali mo pa.
Sanum sare.
Nasa.
ano so
English ki sanum de.
huh?
English ki.
A
हाँ
N A S
हाँ
Anas
मोहम्मद अनसाओ
huh?
मोहम्मद अनसाओ
Muhammad na lang.
English can
What is it?
या अनस ए एन ए एस
Okay, that's it.
दावा सही नहीं देखो देखो
Alif ba.
Every time way na. Okay, everybody. Okay, go. No need to front the camera. Okay, go.
Alif ba ta sa.
Maza maza speeder pe sini diji. Pakalara. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif.
Alif. Pakalara.
Alif ba ta sa jim ha dal zal ra.
Ha ha dua pera ji ha. Yung tiki wala ha yung bagay tiki.
Iya, agak tinggal kapan main apa?
Dal zal ra 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 si shin sad dal dua zal zal shin ya.
Matayin o go.
Kina.
Lebih ada salah kata pera. Tiz wa ha.
Alif ba ta sa jim ha ha dal zal ra ra si shin sad shin
Nasa niya. Okay. Tomorrow you learn more ha.
Wow, Hamza. Ya.
Agad na sa dili yung tiyo na check.
Ay, nakakadalawa ka na. Ginagalingan.
Olia.
Say thank you when they give this.
Chidagad lड़की का ना या वो शुक्रिया वा या thank you आई हाँ.
Mama talha.
Kalara ha pakalara pamada madada lagi mesti kau betul.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iman mufassal amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rasulihi wal yawmil akhir wal qadri khairihi wa sharrihi min Allah ta'ala wal ba'thi ba'da al maut. Iman mujmal amantu billahi kama huwa bi asma'ihi wa sifatihi wa qabiltu jami'a ahkamihi iqrarun bil lisani wa tasdiqun bil qalb.
Correct?
Waalaikumsalam pakira. Wala mo di.
Correct?
Ya correct.
Mama talha. Wait, stop the camera. Wait lang, may lumubog na motor. Lumubog yung motor. Wait lang, yung motor lumubog. Time out. Oh.
Pagamat kalimay radhukubaro Allahumma inni a'udzu bika min an ushrika bika shay'a ana a'lamu bihi tubtu wa huwa tabarratu min al-kufri wash-shirki wal-kizbi wal-ghibati wal-bid'ati wal-namimati wal-fawahishi wal-buhtani wal-ma'asi kullaha aslamtu wa qulu la ilaha illallah muhammadur rasulullah. Sanurama kalimay tauhid la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu yuhyi wa yumiitu wa huwa hayyun la yamutu abadan zul jalali wal ikram biyadihi al khair wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir.
So everybody, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. You need a translator for this. So we weren't able to finish the whole game. We have the last prize, the 20 we have visitors who arrived, and it's a tradition here. Like if there are kids inside and someone arrived, most especially the old ones, they all have to go. So yeah. Alrighty, so this is gonna be our last appointment today. So we're gonna go to Mukhtiar's cousin.
It's about what?
Someone
dead.
Someone died?
Yeah, before.
I'm not here.
No, it's okay. Before, not now. 1 week ago. So now they make the food for the people give for the him, right?
Mag-parcel ka ha?
No, tomorrow. It's tomorrow.
Mag-parcel ka, shoota ka. So may dadaanan kami. Ako si Pakcha, kung saan ako dinadala. Assalamualaikum, how are you? Assalamualaikum. Ay, ikaw na naman, nagbabalik ka na naman. Shoota ka, di ka talaga papaawa. Kagawat. Ay, assalamualaikum. Ay, ang daming tao. Ito na ang tunay na assalamualaikum na naman. Okay. 500 assalamualaikum per day tayo. Kokota tayo. Ang daming assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Let's do the baba first, ha? Okay. Ay, may video. Hello po. Oh. May video pa akong assalamualaikum. Abdallah, what are you doing here? Visit ka. Kaibigan ko sa Dubai. Assalamualaikum. Hello. Assalamualaikum. O, nakakailan na tayo? 500. Sino pa? Assalamualaikum, everybody. Oh. Ay, ayun na yung bapalo. Ayoko dyan. Ayoko ng mga dugo-dugo.
Come there.
Swear.
That's the last thing.
So we're gonna go there as well. Ito na naman. May ipapakita na naman si Mukhtiar. Diba? Ano sa'yo ng village life? I told you, everybody. Because of this, I'm not gonna go back to city anymore. I love this talaga. Hi, Zakirina. May kasalanan ka sa akin, ha? Tinawag mo akong auntie. Buisit ka. Waka mo ko. Ay, andito ka din. Yung TikTok star, nandito din. Buhay na buhay ka. Hindi ka talaga magpapatalo. Ha, you Dubai?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, so this guy's rich. Hello. You have a lot of money, I know.
Bila mo.
Kaya ang ganda ko. Gago, concealer lang sa ilong yan. Ay, ano?
Yeah, you can make
This is the buffalo?
You're not hit here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. You can.
So, may namatay daw. So, someone died. Someone died and then?
Then they giving food. 10 days ago he died. So they giving food for the people.
Like program gathering?
Yeah. So for him, like he died now. So
If someone died, they give the food?
Yeah.
Same like us. They will kill like 2 or 3 cows.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. So yeah, that's it. So they're cooking something here. Ayun daw. So someone, I can see that. We got the same culture back in Bicol. We have that. Like if someone is dead, but not after 10 days. We do it like on the day that they died. Like we kill 3 cows, something like that. Sarap. Magbalot tayo. Charot. Charot lang sa balot. Ay, hala. So tomorrow we will go here.
No, more people coming here.
More people. Okay. Oh, so tomorrow mag-aayos ako, day. Lalaban ko talaga to. Ha? Sulaiman?
Sulia.
Sulaiman.
Sulia.
Sulaiman! So ayun. So maybe we will come back here tomorrow. So I love the village life. I love this. Hi, Sakrina. Tara dito. Inaway si Sakrina. Tinawag niya akong auntie dahil kanina. Auntie? Kalas. Mauna ka na. Oh. Hala. Musira ula si Patan. Tumawid tapos iniwanan ako. You go. Baka madulas ako, gagi. Okay, go. Gong. So, ayan, that's it. So, I just wanna say hi to everyone. They are all shocked. Sabi na ginagawa ng baklang to dito. Charot. So, yeah, that's it. We'll do vlog. Ikaw, kagawad. Maraming pera. Ito ang kagawad ng Swabi. Ano ba?
Swabi.
Maraming pera yan si kagawad. Malaking bahay niyan. Asalam. Okay, let's go. So, ayun. We'll go back there tomorrow. Saan ako dinadala? Shoot na to. Hi! Hindi na.
Not walking. It's near.
Where we will go?
It's near here and come back.
Do what?
Just you will see the places.
Oh, let's
So
go.
it's nice places. Okay.
Hoy, ikaw nga. Ay, baby ka baby ko yan. Mag-uwi na kayo doon.
Doon nagaw.
Go to said house, yala. Shabe. Shabe. One more place before we go. Okay. Ang dami. But this is what? Cow, buffalo, ano yan? Hoy, I'll be honest, I don't know the difference between cow, kalabaw, baka, and the buffalo. Always ako nalilito. Let's do this, everybody. Hoy, ang saya ng village life, I told you. Not
The cow.
Cow. Hoy, everybody. Yeah, I forgot. Ito na naman, nakapokus na naman ako sa pinagagagawa ko habang nagsasalita. For those people who's giving a comment that I should focus more on my surroundings, thank you very much. Because sometimes, I really forgot. Because palasalita talaga ako, more chika talaga ako. Di ngayon, ikaw nahihirapan, di ba? Di ba? Sinermonan niya yung bata, sermonan ko din siya. Kasi kasalanan niya yan eh. Lagi niya kasi may special treatment yung bagets. Ngayon, hindi niya makontrol. Hoy, everybody look. Tinan mo, Day, pag nalaglag ka dyan, Day. Ay, St. Peter's, rekta kayo, Day. Makita kayo ng St. Peter. Wala na tong ano-ano. See the place? I love that. Ayan na, I'm showing it. See? One wrong turn, Day. Makita talaga kayo. O sa inyo, simulan nyo na ang humingi ng tawad kapag dito kayo dumadaan. Patan. Aray. And here we will go. Okay. Ito na pala. Yeah, this is okay na. Huwag na tayo bumaba. Lalayo pa tayo. Kita naman lahat dito. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba may attitude ako pagkasama ko si Mokhtar. Nasanay na siya. Baliwala na yung mga sinasabi ko sa kanya. I will make video of... We will go down?
No, here.
Okay.
Sometime after this 1 month, too much water.
Too much water. Hoy, look, everybody, see, I will show you the whole place.
Morning we was there.
That's there?
You see what is this place going like this?
Okay. So earlier this morning, we went, I told him that we should go to village to show the village life. Doon niya pala ako dinala. Nag-trekking kami dahil nang wala sa oras. Hindi kasama sa usapan yon. Napatrek ako dahil burn talaga ako sa kanya kayo ng umaga dahil warla talaga ako. See, I told you, who loves city? No. I'll stay in village. Okay. You know what I'm thinking about my vlog? Like, I'm really gonna show you the real me, the authentic.
This is vlog?
Huh?
Okay.
No, it's okay. Say. What? If I say something, whether it's good or not, I'll keep recording. I'm not gonna edit it. So, you know, just so, no filter. This is what I like. I'm 30 years old. Whether you like me or not, that's fine. Kasi di ba mamaya, you'll show that you're a good person in the vlog. Mabait. Ay pala mura ko. I say bad words a lot. But of course, I have to edit that for the vlog. Only the bad words. But my attitude, okay, I'll not edit it. I'm arte or no? He can answer all. Everybody, he can answer you. I'm arte or no?
Too much sobra.
I have bad attitude or no?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
How you say?
I didn't see maybe you hide from me.
No, 5 years hide from you. Gago. Ulo ka ba? Say bad words pa, Tan. I don't know. Maraming alam na bad words yan. Ayan. I have a lot in the video. See? May mga pabulong-pabulong ka ngayon. Day, kita ba? Kita niyo ba? Hoy, wait lang. Hi! Nakikita niyo ba yan? Nakikita niyo ba yan?
Nobody there. He come by herself.
Yeah. Wag lang yan dadaan sa kanto namin, Day.
Coming evening. Drinking water.
Wag nilang babalakin dumaan sa kanto namin. Magiging bulalo kayo, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Patan nyo like bulalo, right?
There is water, coming natural water from there.
Nakikita niyo ba yan? Naku, wag kang dadaan sa kanto namin, promise.
There is charge for
bubulalo kita.
The water is...
I told Patan it's a good weather today. So I'm in a good mood. So he can do a lot of bad things today. And I'm not gonna get angry. Because it's a good weather. And I'm beautiful. I'm perfect. I'm next to Mama Mary. Alam mo yon, yung si Mama Mary, tapos ako din next. Bahala na kayo. Malap kayo na sarili yung pwesto. Basta Mama Mary, ako na agad. Kay Toretto yung kasunod nun. Bahala kayo dyan. Alam nyo, don't believe the people in the villages if they say that it's just near. Yes. Pareho sa Pilipinas, di ba? When you're in the province, is it near? Yes, it's very near. Yung pala 10 bundok pa. Ganun din dito. Sabi nito, no, let's just go to my neighbor. Dahil, nagulat ako yung neighbor. 5 bundok yung tinawid namin. Sabi niya, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Ulo to. Di mo kaya yung motor namin. BMW. Dala mo na! Puro kapag chismoso ka din talaga minsan. Everybody, so again, we're gonna be, we're not supposed to go there. It's not part of my itinerary for today. But since we went, so why not? Wait, nakakangawit, wait lang. Hi everybody, we have arrived at Mokhtar's cousin's house. Wait, I will show you. Said, see, he lives here. This is Mokhtar's brother, my baby boy. Pogi ako dito. Niloloko nila kami. You look the same a little, di ba? Hi, Papa 7 na. Suwana ka! Papa 7 na. Bahay nila to. Ito naman yung bahay nila, Day, Ay, pader pa lang, Day. Bahay na namin yan buo. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. So, they're gonna go to prayer. So, me, I'll be here while waiting for them. Where's your brother? Brother? Yeah. Namaz? Masjid? Okay. Okay, pray daw. Okay. So, there, we're not supposed to be here today. I don't know to Mukhtiar, but he told me that they have invited us to have dinner here. So, literally like 2 to 3 times a day, almost 5 times. We're receiving like an invitation from all the neighbors and from different villages as well. Said, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Umaya, this is another Patan's daughter. See? Umaya. Umaya, Umaya. Umaya. So this is also Patan's daughter. Kayla, there you go na. Okay. So they're going to the masjid. Wait, I really love the kids here. Like, baby brother ni said. Diba? I really love the kids here. They're so malambeng. They're so sweet. Magta-travel pa yung mga yan. Pagaling ng school ng mga yan, magpupunta yan sa bahay. Mag-hi lang. Yala. Okay. See? Alam niya. Umaya. Yala. Yala na. Sige na. Zay. Zay. Maya. Yala. Ay. Oo nga, pareho kami ng size ng paa ni Zed. Ay. Mukhang may magmamana ng mga shoes ko pag ganyan. May shoes akong ibibigay kasi. Yala. Diba? 5 times na siya nagpapaalam sa akin. Malambing yan si Zed sa akin. Ito pang isa, imamassage ako niyan. Maya. Yala na, dali na. Massage ka na. Ando dumi ng ilong nyo. Tala mo. Diba? Lambeng. Pero number 1, pinakamalambing sa akin ito, si Anas, yung panganay ni Mukhtiar. Tumunod si Zed. Tsaka si Umaya. Hoy, look. Asan mo pinakita ng Mukhtiar na bahay niya? Hoy, si. Di mo yung bahay. Dahil yung bahay nila, mansion. Lahat ng bahay dito, mansion. Kasi naman, the land is kind of cheap as well, and the labor is cheap as well. So, no wonder why they can like build like big houses here. So, everybody, that's it. After like having a good conversation with other guests, and of course, with Mukhtiar, we're finally having our dinner here. So, here's Zed serving us. Again, everybody, it's still a culture shock for me. Like, when they're doing all this, again, they will not allow you to do anything. Not even a little help, they would not accept. It's a different thing here. So, see all this food. Every single house, every single neighbor that we are visiting, this is the case. So, good luck sa tiyan mo. Again, let me end my vlog here. I'm super duper tired today as well. I want to sleep. So, it's a good weather. It rained a little today. What? The fried chicken. Yeah. Ay, may fried chicken. Gusto mo yan. Tignan mo ang aming pagkain for today. Hoy, grabe yung food dito sa Pakistan. It's a lot. It's too much. It's too much. Again, thank you for watching my vlog. Again, this is Kay Toredo, and you have a great evening or have a good day. Whatever you are, you enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Wait, tignan mo, grabe yung pagkain mo, sosyal. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Pag may birthday lang to ginagawa sa amin. Diyos ko, dito. Dahil dito talaga literal araw-araw. Kahit saan ka pumunta, ganito yung pagkain.